Tomatoes are one of the hungriest plants in the garden, and if you don't feed them properly at the right time, they will waste their energy on stems and leaves instead of producing fruit. That's exactly why today I'm showing you an old homemade fertilizer I use whenever I want more flowers, thicker stems, and larger tomatoes that grow much faster. The first ingredient is something everyone already has in the kitchen, but very few people use it this way. First, I take some oats and grind them well until they almost become flour. Very few people know that oats contain natural compounds that nourish the soil and stimulate beneficial microorganisms around the roots. When the soil is alive and rich in microorganisms, tomato plants absorb nutrients much easier and develop new fruits faster. I pour the ground oats into half a liter of hot water so all the beneficial nutrients can dissolve better. After that, I add a handful of banana peels. They are especially useful during flowering and fruit production because they contain a lot of potassium. Potassium helps tomatoes become meatier, firmer, and larger. That's why many gardeners notice that plants start producing many more large tomatoes after using this type of fertilizer. The third ingredient is something most people step on in the garden because they think it's just a weed, but it's actually extremely useful for tomatoes. I add 1 tablespoon of dried dandelion, which is incredibly rich in minerals that tomato plants love. It is especially beneficial for strengthening the stems and developing dark green leaves that give the plant more energy for fruit growth. The stronger the plant becomes, the more tomatoes it can support at the same time. I mix everything well and leave it overnight to steep. In the morning, I strain the liquid and add another half liter of water to make the fertilizer gentle enough for watering. I use this mixture on my tomatoes twice a month, especially during the period when they begin flowering heavily and producing their first fruits. After some time, the difference becomes very noticeable because the plants look stronger, produce more flowers, and the tomatoes become larger and fleshier. Write in the comments where you're watching from so I can leave you a like. Thank you.